Hi everyone, Caroline here. Question for you. So, have you ever heard a voice speaking to you in a public place so loudly and giving you a message that you cannot even believe that you're hearing with your own 2 ears? Has something like that ever happened to you? A voice that delivers a message in the most unexpected place in a public place and you have no idea what could possibly be happening to you or what that message could possibly mean. And all you know is that, oh my gosh, this is something that carries some heavy weight and you need to be paying attention. Has something like that ever happened to you? So, in 2010, a lot of interesting things were happening to me. I was in New York City. I was just entering the subway station. I was waiting for a train. And as I was standing on the platform, a breeze, a cold breeze, just passed and whizzed through my ear. And I heard the words, Ruach, the breath of God, in a whisper. Ruach, the breath of God. Like this. The words were Ruach, breath of God. And I heard that voice so clearly. No one was around there to whisper anything to me or to say anything to me. The voice came in the wind, Ruach, the breath of God. And I was like, Ruach? What in the world is that? I don't know anything about that. I've never heard the word in my life. And it says, Ruach, the breath of God, and it came as a wind. I tell you, it was almost like I entered another timeline. The train station stood still. I was feeling this feeling that I cannot even describe up to this day. And I remember just repeating the words, Ruach, breath of God, Ruach, breath of God, because I didn't want to forget those things. I needed to get home, get online or whatever, so I could, try at least to Google or to try to find out what this thing really meant. And in those days, I don't even think I had a cell phone or I don't even think I had internet connection or I don't know what was happening. But I was thinking, oh my gosh, I need to go home and Google what this thing means. Maybe it means something in some language or something. And I also remember going home and telling my sister, I had this amazing experience and we were both like in shock, like, oh my God, what could this mean? And I kept just feeling, that burn from the wind when that word Ruach was passing through my ear, Ruach, breath of God. And I mean, what was the significance for me? What was the significance of the breath of God for me? And what was Ruach? All those things. But now, in light of how much more evolved and how much more conscious I've become, I've begun to see what it really meant for me and what the significance of that was. Ruach is apparently the Hebrew word for the breath of God or something like that. You know what I mean? And it's the life force of God, the breath of God, that infinite divinity of God, which I am and which just we are, these awakening things just start happening and little signs are dropped on the way. Just those little things that egg us on and bring us closer and closer and closer until the time that you awaken to consciousness. You know what I mean? I mean, amazing things have happened, since 2010. Like, the stories are interesting. But for some reason now I'm feeling that I have reached a point where I need to start sharing the little tidbits that brought me into remembrance. And I'm just going to be talking about them on this channel. My rememberings, because we are all here to remember who we are. We are all here to remember who we are. And this is just something that I'm beginning to feel that I need to start sharing those little interesting things. And I also want you guys to kind of share with me what you guys are remembering on this great path that we are on as we evolve and move into the new earth space. So, what have you remembered? Have you ever heard a voice that activated something in you? Let me know in the comment section. And until next time, we are moving on. I love you guys. Bye.